test set. Okay, so test set la kuda nama enna pannalam, because we have given 15% of that samples for testing, right? So ipo nama training la da nama enna performance eppadi irukum paathom. Training பண்றப்பவே வந்து this is network is not being properly trained, because so if you see the confusion matrix la enna appadina, out of the samples here 14 here and then 11 here is misclassified. So this output is for the after training the network. Okay, so now training samples vachina idu seriya. So now we'll go for testing the performance with the test set. Okay, because 15% is being used for testing. So for that I have taken here TR. So if you see, this is after training the network, we'll have two parameters as net and TR. So TR is nothing but it is what to say, it is going to have, these are the parameters being defined in the TR. So see here, so it will be taking train input, valid input, and then test input. Okay, so out of this one, 489, 105 and 105 being taken for testing. 105 is taken for validation and 105 is taken for testing, and then 489 is taken for training. Okay, 70% of that samples, and 15% for validation and 15% for the testing. Okay, so you will have here the data in TR. Now I'm going to use a TR. TR la irukka test inputs mattum da eduthu poren. So I have given here test input as tr.testInt, and then I'm going to calculate the output. So you have to use that net of inputs. Okay, so you have to give the input, and then you have to going to calculate the output, and you are going to calculate the performance. Okay, so for performance you have to use a keyword perform net comma target dot tst output. Okay, so once if you run it, this is after training. I think I'm getting an error here, but you can also test the performance of the network with the test samples. I think, I don't know why I'm getting enough error here. So let me check, because I don't know why I'm getting an error. So this is how you can train a network. So you can take any example here. We, as Madam said, we are doing active research in image processing using neural network toolbox, and then we are also using image processing toolbox and signal processing toolbox, and we are doing an active research in the department of ECE, SVCE, and we have taken what to say, leaves. In that previous project, we have taken some leaves, and then we classified whether the leaves is a disease-free leaf, or it is a leaf with the disease. Okay, so for that we have actually used a neural network model to train it. Okay, so I have taken different features as an input, and then we have decided the number of layers and the number of neurons in each layers, and then we trained the model, and we have got about 90% of accuracy. So using this neural network toolbox, you can go for classification, you can go for clustering, regression, and even we can we can so go for supervised learning and unsupervised learning also. So this is a little introduction about the neural network toolbox, how to use it,